What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to T3G. My name is Dalibor, and today we are doing a exhaust note test with the Sony PX470 coming up. I'm just going to give you a little bit of context real quick, and we're just going to go straight into the exhaust test. This was a question posed by one of our viewers, and they wanted to know if this specific voice recorder would be good to record exhaust notes with. Now this, if you are not familiar, is a very popular feature of automotive videos. If you are unsure, if you want to check out some automotive stuff, youtube.com/fullthrottleauto. We always support family around here. You're about to hear 3 tests, all with aftermarket exhaust. One is of the Mazda3, the other one is the Accord, and one is of a 240SX. The 240SX is indoors, so it's a little bit of a different test, and it's from the side as opposed to behind it because it is being worked on currently. youtube.com/fullthrottleauto if you want some more information on that. But without further ado, here is the sound test.
Smells a little rich. Give me a low run. Low. Nice.
So that's going to be it for this one, just a quick sound test. I'm not going to give my opinion because this is not particularly my field of expertise. So check for comments down below. My brother Hottest will be answering in the comments down below. I'm just putting that on him. I didn't even ask him to do that, but I'm just going to put that on him. He'll be answering down below to see if he thinks they are good sounds. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions about this particular recorder, any of the equipment that I have access to, feel free to ask, and happy to do any sort of testing that I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.